Here's a Jobu I picked up recently, Jobu 93 I believe it's called. Probably got it wrong. Anyway, it's definitely Jobu. Kind of an interesting saw. They come from Norway. It's got a centrifugal clutch. Why? I don't know. They have this. You gotta engage that before it'll actually turn the chain, but it is centrifugal clutch. It's kind of very similar to the Jobu Junior. Only the Junior's got a cylinder shaped gas tank right here. Somebody asked me if it was a repaint. No, I don't think so. You can see wear signs here and there. Bunch of paint off the bottom. I don't believe it is. When I got it, the fuel line was rotted. It needed a new fuel line. Put a new fuel line in, put a carb kit in it. I've had it running today. It's a bit of a bear to start up. I'll set you over here, hopefully you don't fall down. Kill switch in there. I was looking for YouTube videos on these, and you know, it's funny, nobody said, like, I couldn't find any information that it had a centrifugal clutch. I figured it was completely manual because of this, but no, that's engaging part of a gearbox, I believe. It's definitely got a centrifugal clutch. Anyway, that's it. Jobu out of Norway. Quite a rare saw, especially here in Canada. I don't know if they've been imported. This is the second one I've seen in Canada, but you don't know. There's a lot of collectors. I don't know if they were both brought in. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.